In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Twilio to GoHighLevel. By the end, you'll have the Twilio integration installed so you can power SMS, calls, and automated messaging inside your GoHighLevel account with just a few clicks. Before we start, make sure you're logged into GoHighLevel with the right permissions for the workspace you want to use and that you have a Twilio account ready. You won't need to enter any sensitive credentials here. We're simply adding the official integration from the built-in marketplace. From your GoHighLevel dashboard, head to the App Marketplace. You'll usually see it in the left-hand menu under Integrations or Apps. Clicking the App Marketplace opens a catalog of approved add-ons that work natively with your account. This is the safest place to install integrations because they're vetted to work with GoHighLevel's automations, pipelines, and messaging tools. Once the marketplace loads, move to the search bar and type Twilio. Keep your spelling simple. Just Twilio, and give it a second to fetch results. You're looking for the official Twilio integration card. If you see multiple results, choose the one that clearly references Twilio for messaging and calling inside GoHighLevel. If nothing appears, clear any active filters in the marketplace, or double-check that you're in the correct location or agency view with integration access. When you find the Twilio card, click Install. This adds the integration to your GoHighLevel account so you can start routing SMS and calls through Twilio. Depending on your role, you might see options or a quick summary of what the app can do. Take a moment to review any notes about usage, limits, or permissions. If the Install button is grayed out, it usually means you need admin access for the current workspace, or you're viewing a section that doesn't allow installations. Switching to the correct location typically resolves that. After you click Install, select Continue to confirm. This step finalizes the process and applies the integration to your account. You might see a brief loading indicator. That's normal. When it finishes, the Twilio app will show as installed in your marketplace view, and you'll be able to use it within GoHighLevel's messaging features. If the page doesn't update right away, a quick refresh usually displays the installed status. And if you encounter a permissions message during this step, contact your account admin to grant integration access. That's it. Twilio is now connected to GoHighLevel through the marketplace. You're ready to leverage Twilio's reliable messaging and calling inside your funnels, workflows, and conversations without leaving your GoHighLevel environment.